Let's talk about the pandemic now. LA County health officials worry that the latest surge in new cases is showing no signs of letting up.
Yeah, they say the new surges are particularly due to adults and children returning to work and to school. Carlos Aceto joining us live. He's got more on this story for us. Carlos.
Hey, Rick and Corey, good evening. Now, while we continue to see cases, officials say there are signs that cases are leveling off. So, of course, that's some good news. But the main concern right now is the rise in hospitalizations, as that can overwhelm hospitals. As the Delta variant continues to spread, vaccine mandates are expanding to more sectors. This as employers and government entities are clamping down on those who have refused a jab. On Sunday, LA County Public Health reported slightly more than 3,000 new cases of COVID-19. That's 1,000 less than what was recorded on Saturday. Officials say the drop could reflect an undercount due to a weekend lag in reporting. But just last week, Dr. Barbara Ferrer said while transmission in LA County remains at a high level, our rising cases may be leveling off.
What we're seeing now is a much smaller increase in our cases over a couple of weeks, which is what we're hoping for 10 days after implementing an effective public health measure.
While cases might appear to be reaching a plateau, hospitalizations are rising. And that's what health officials in San Bernardino County are also seeing.
San Bernardino County isn't overwhelmed. I mean, we're able to meet the capacity, but we're seeing a trending increase both in the ICU and the overall hospital. We're also seeing what the nation is seeing is a younger proportion of patients are coming in. They're relatively young and some are pretty healthy.
And officials say most of those hospitalized have been unvaccinated. While people's social behaviors might change due to COVID fatigue, officials remind everyone to continue wearing masks indoors, especially now that kids are returning to school.
It is a concern because some may or may not wear masks, so there is a risk for transmission between kids and bringing them home. I know many kids are underreported with infections because either they don't want to get the test. You know, this is a swab in the nose at 5. You can imagine that they may resist. And also many may do home testing. So there really is an underestimation of how prevalent the infections are in kids.
And that's why officials say it's so important to get vaccinated if you can, if you're of age, and continue wearing those face coverings while indoors. We're live in Hollywood. Carlos Salcedo, KTLA 5 News.
All right, Carlos, we thank you for that.